attachment plate on the Yardmax walk behind trimmer machine. You need to remove the 3 screws, take the cover out. Now you're going to replace this 4 bolt with our longer bolt. So the first thing you do is to remove this. I'm really losing it. Just remove the original bolt out. Now insert our longer bolt. Make sure you got a washer. Just slide it through. I already did this to save time to show you. After you done that, just lift the head up and lay the machine down like that. This will come out loose, no big deal. Now the bolt, you can see the 4 bolt come out down here. It's longer than the original bolt. The next thing you do is pick up the plate. The plate only fits one side. You see that 2 offset hole? It offsets the 2 right here. Just align it. Remember, the plate only fits one way. Aligning it. Just try to push it back in, and you get the nuts. No washer yet. Just let it bite the bolt and the nut. Just a few turns so it won't fall down. And now go and do the rest. Now you need to use a washer. Put the washer on and put the nut on. You don't need to tighten it yet. You go ahead and do the other 2. Washer. Wiggling the plate to align the bolt to the hole. Now I'm going to do my last one. See that? See my 4 bolt. Now go back to the first one, take the bolt nuts out and put the washer on. Now secure it with a nice 16. Make sure you secure it tight, and the last thing you do is to catch the wheel. Use the bottom nut. There are 2 nuts. The bottom, you can raise it up or lower or higher. The washer and the nuts. Now secure it with a nice 16-inch. Now you can load it down on 3 wheel. Now last thing you do is put it on, secure it, it's done.